Did you know your cells have a built-in countdown timer that decides how long you'll live? At the end of every chromosome in your body, there are tiny protective caps called telomeres. Think of them like the plastic tips on shoelaces that keep them from fraying. Every time your cells divide to repair your body, these telomeres get shorter. It's like nature's hourglass running out of sand. When they become too short, your cells stop working properly and you age. Scientists thought this was unstoppable. But here's the mind-blowing part. They discovered people can actually make their telomeres longer again. Studies show that meditation, exercise, and eating certain foods can reverse this cellular countdown. One woman increased her telomeres by 20% in just 4 months. This isn't science fiction. Researchers have proven that lengthening telomeres can add decades to human life. We're literally learning how to hack our biological age. The fountain of youth wasn't a magical spring after all. It was hidden inside our DNA the entire time, waiting for us to figure out the code.